So guys, a quick analysis on our AUDUSD, but before you go, I want you to subscribe. By the way, subscribe to this my channel, like and share this video. Now a quick analysis on our AUDUSD. We can see now our AUDUSD is actually going to start giving us a bearish move as I predicted. We are going to be having a fall on our AUDUSD. Just know that. Now if you go to my DXY, you see I've done an analysis on my DXY where our DXY will be pushing up, so any pair relating to it should actually be falling. Now to get a prediction of where our price will be moving for today on our AUDUSD, we will be using our 4-hour time frame and our 1-hour time frame. Now we are on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, let's take a sell and close here as I'll take profit one. When our price breaks below it, then definitely we will be seeing a retracement. Then it will not be a good opportunity to now take our sell position second time again. So if you have to take our sell position straight downward here, that should be giving us about 53 to 55 pips to grab. So for today, we are actually going bearish and we will be closing bearish on our AUDUSD. That's exactly what I wanted to know. So take your sell position straight upward. Now you can see on our 4-hour time 1-hour time frame, we are getting something like a retracement. We saw a drop, right? We are getting a retracement. If you are watching this video now, as I have uploaded it, there will be a good opportunity to actually now take your sell position straight downward. Take your sell if you are watching this video upward. If you are watching this video now, and you can set your stop loss around there, because I doubt if our price will come here to hit here, or set your stop loss at least up here, because we are actually we are dropping on our AUDUSD. So take your sell on our AUDUSD if you are watching this video right now. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.